Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export transactions to Google Sheets here in Spendee. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your Spendee app. And once you're in here on your dashboard, just tap on More right here at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now go and scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced. Tap on it. And in here, just tap on Export. Now go ahead and select the specific wallet. Or if you want to, you could leave it to all of your wallets. And don't worry, it will not be exported on the same file, okay? This wallet will have its own file, and this one as well will have its own file. All right, you're going to see it later. So what you'll do is just go ahead and select the period right here to be custom or history, last 30 days, 90 days, or year, okay? Select one and then select the format right here. It could be a CSV or XLSX file. I'm just going to keep it to CSV. And once done, I'm going to tap on Export Data. And you will have a notification that says your export is on its way. The export should arrive to your email address. So what email address? The email address that is tied to your Spendee account, okay? Or what you've used upon signing up. So let's go ahead and open up our email. And you should receive the same exact email. Okay, so what you're going to do is just scroll all the way down and you will find your export, okay? One wallet and the other wallet. So if you want to export it to a Google Sheet, so what you do is just go ahead and select this option right here that got the Google Drive option, okay? So I'm just going to tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, you could give it a name and select the location, okay, from your Google Drive. So once that's done, I'm just going to leave it to my drive. I'm going to hit on upload right here. It says here preparing to upload files, so just wait for it. Okay, once that's uploaded to your Google Drive, you can now then go ahead and open up Google Sheets. Okay, if you don't have Google Sheets, just go ahead and download it from your Play Store or App Store, like so. Install. Open it up, and once done, go ahead over to your folders. Right here, tap on Google Drive. And under Recents, you should be able to see it. Or when you go ahead over to My Drive, scroll down, and here you have it. That is how you export transactions to Google Sheets in Spendee. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.